Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. It's a great day, guys. It's a great day. Yesterday, I received a payment from unemployment. That's my first payment, and it's actually 17 days after I filed my first unemployment claim. And in addition, guys, I did get the additional $600. Yes, so I got my first week's payment and the additional $600 all at one time. So, and I also heard from other subscribers that they have received the same. They've received their payments, which was the initial payments, and the additional $600. So I wanted to give you my timeline, which is about 17 days. Others have reported 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, some have reported a little longer. Okay, so they have delivered. I'm happy to let you know, and the reason why I'm letting you know is to give others encouragement so that they'll kind of figure out, because originally unemployment had called me and told me it would be 28, 29, 30 days before I would see a payment, but I actually seen one 17 days from the day of filing, and I'm so happy. Oh, let me tell you about the relief that is. Oh my. You know, when your income stops, it's a real stress and worry on you. You don't know how you're going to survive. You don't know how you're going to pay your bills. You don't know how you're going to live normal as before. And so when that happens, it really just stresses you out to the max. So my stress is relieved some, and I appreciate and I thank God for this blessing, because it could have been longer, it could have been worse, but you know, God stepped in, and I really appreciate it. So I want to encourage you, if you filed for unemployment, make sure you answer all the questions, continuously go on your profile, see if they need anything else, and satisfy all those needs immediately. Okay? Another thing that I found out is you can email them. That's on their app. You can email them. So if you can't get them on the phone, look for that email on the app, and you can type in whatever your question and concern is, and it asks you whether you want them to email you back or phone call you back or text message you back, however you want them to do it. So I did also do that as well. I haven't, and I did that 2 days ago. I haven't heard from them yet through an email, so I'm waiting on that response. Okay, so then I want to talk about the stimulus. I still have not received my stimulus $1,200. They said they started last Saturday, and people should be getting them this week. So I did check to see if I received mine, and I have not. I also went on the IRS site, and to see if I can fill out that form that they said you could fill out, that's where's my payment. And I went there and I filled in my information, and it said we don't have any information at this time. Okay, so I don't know if that means that it's not fully up and running yet, or if they haven't processed me yet, or what that means. But I just wanted you to know I did go on. I was able to fill out that information. So you can go on to the IRS and you can ask where is your stimulus payment, and it'll take you to that format. Okay? All right. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you about, people who, and I mentioned this the other day, but it's really getting to be more important that I drive this home. People who are working on the front line, so that's people who work in hospitals, you know, like nurses, aides, anybody working in the medical field, firefighters, police, shelters, people working shelters, social service type jobs. Those people are required to go to work, okay? Required. They have no other choice. And so I think that they have been given a raw deal. And several of my subscribers have wrote and given me that complaint that it's not fair, that they got to go to work and risk their life and work around people who could possibly have the infection, and they're not getting extra $600 a week. Okay, now they have a valid point, because if it wasn't for them, when we get sick, who is going to take care of us? And so I think that when they passed that bill, they didn't think about that these people are risking their lives, and that they are taking a chance to do what we all need them to do. And I would like, Grandma Ray would like so very, very much for you to do me this favor. I want you to call or email to your governor and any politician that you can reach, okay? Put it on social media, on Facebook, put it everywhere, that these people need to get some additional money now. They need their $600 a week extra now, because they are really suffering, and they're going to get, and they could get sick, or they could be a carrier, take it home to their family. And so, you know, we're asking a lot for them, so at least support them. And most of them don't make a lot of money either, guys. So one subscriber said to me that that's more than what they would make in a week, right? What people are clearing on unemployment. So they need help too. So let's do our part and call all of these politicians and see if we can't put our input in. Hey, if you can get to the White House, them too. Okay, and let's see if we can help them out, because together we stand, okay? And I think that we can make our voice be heard. Do that for Grandma Ray, okay? Okay, so listen, again, I just wanted to let you know that I did receive my first payment from unemployment, and I received a payment from unemployment and my $600 additional stimulus money. So let's talk about what I'm going to do with it. Well, the first thing that I'm going to do with it is I'm going to look at my bills, and I'm going to make me up a budget, and I'm going to pay some pressing bills that's past due because I had no funds. And then after that, I'm going to definitely save some, because you know, just because you got one payment, you don't know if when the next one's coming, right? It could come like clockwork, or you may have a gap. You just don't know. So when you go to work and you work, so you know if you worked last week, you get a check this week, so you kind of know. But now it's kind of a day situation where you just don't know. So you don't want to just party up and go through that money. So I also think that because people are handling you know, the additional $600 a week, that some are going to be smart about it, some going to be foolish about it, some going to, others who are not receiving it is going to be jealous about it, angry about it, and you know, you can share people who are in need, right? Because if God blessed you to get yours, how come you can't bless someone else? Valid point, right? The other day, I helped someone who was in need, and that was even before I received mine. But because I had a little, not a lot, a little, and they had none, I was able to share. And that's what we need to do. We need to step up to the plate and share each other, because this is really a hard time. We've never faced nothing like this before, and we definitely want to see if we can bless somebody else who is in need. And if you do that, that would be great. So maybe they need some food. Maybe you could take some food over there. Or maybe they need a ride. Or maybe they need their cell phone bill paid. Or maybe they need something. Or maybe the kids need something. You know, if you can do something for them, please do something for them. You don't have to go in their house. You don't have to be close to them to do this. You can just do this out of the kindness of your heart. And if you do that, blessings will come back to you, I'm sure. I'm really sure. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about. The other day, I had made a cream of spinach soup. And the video was messed up, and I want to apologize for that. And I took the video down, and I'm going to remake that and put that back out there just for you. And I appreciate all of you guys who have been supporting me and hanging in there with me and share. Oh, you guys have done marvelous sharing the videos. Absolutely marvelous, and I appreciate that. I really do. Okay, so alright, I just wanted to come and let you know what's going on with me and unemployment, because Grandma Ray was with everybody else, laid off, okay, due to the infection that's going on nationwide. And so if you need some encouragement or anything like that, encourage each other, okay, and talk to somebody that really loves you, okay? Alright, so check out the links below. I have some links to Patreon and GoFundMe if you want to support me in that way. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share the video and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time, okay? Thank you. I'm happy today. Thanks.